Warning: this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can dump or back up your PS4 physical games to your PS4 so you can play them without the disc. So before we start this video, you are going to have a jailbroken PS4. If you haven't watched my video already on how to jailbreak your PS4, a link in the description will show you how you can jailbreak your PS4. It's a pretty simple tutorial, and yeah, so for this video you are going to need also a external hard drive that is formatted to FAT32 or exFAT. I recommend exFAT because I think if you try and format it on FAT32, there's something to do with a limited amount of space, and if your game is, probably higher than that, obviously you won't be able to actually move the files about and stuff. So it's recommended to format it to eFAT, and yeah, so let's get into it. I am going to show you first of all that I am on the correct firmware for the jailbreak. You are going to have to make sure you are on 4.55 or 4.05, 4.55 and 5.05. So if you go to system information, and as you can see it does say 5.05. so if you scroll up to the top, this is how you access the jailbreak itself. If you watch my last video, you'll understand that. But here's the interface. All you want to do is click on whichever version you are on. I'm on 5.05. And then you want to click on Dumper. As you can see, we just got that little pop-up there and it says done, so it is working. Just click the home button. For this example, I am going to be using Lego Marvel Superheroes. I've already got the second one on here already, so that's why I decided to do this one. So let me just put the game in now. So once it's loaded, just click on it. And now you're just going to want to leave the game on. And as you can see, you are going to get a lot of pop-ups on the screen. And you're going to get percentages going up at least 3 or 4 each time. It does take a while, but you'll know when it's completed because your PS4 will turn off. And that's when it's safe to take out the hard drive and put it into the computer for the second half of the tutorial. You could probably hear the audio right now of the game. Yeah, so you can click on the home button as well and go back to the home screen. Just don't click on anything else, just leave it, let it do its thing. I'll wait for the first pop-up and it will say, the percentage. But yeah, it should do it at least once or twice. But like I said, you'll know when it's done because your PS4 will turn off. Okay, so as you can see, it says 30% complete for the first bit. So like I said, just leave it until it's completely done and your PS4 has turned off, and I will see you on the computer. Okay, so now you're onto your PC. You just want to plug in your hard drive, the one you just dumped the game to, and you want to navigate to the hard drive itself. Mine is here on the G drive, and you should see the only two you should see if you did it from a formatted drive. You should only see these two here. I've got extra ones from games and other things. You don't want to worry about them. In fact, Okay, so yeah, just ignore the PS4 one. You should have at least these three, if not these two. And this one here is the main important one. That's the game itself, because this is the code for the game, or the game's ID, which you usually see on the spine of the games. So yeah, once you've located that, all you want to do is download the two simple programs in the description, and they are these two files will be WinRAR, so they are zip files. You will have to extract them. If you don't understand how to extract files, I don't know why you're watching this video, but anyway, the first one you want to click on is this one here, the G one. Just open that. Now, it might look quite confusing, but if you just follow the steps, you should be able to do it. Okay, so what you want to do is just click on the open button here, navigate to your hard drive, and obviously click on the game itself. Like I said, the one that has the title ID, which is the one with the numbers and letters. Just click it, and you want to click this button here, the generate button. Just let that do its thing. Okay, it's really quick, this one. I think it's quite a small game. Depending on how big the game is, it might take 30 seconds, it might take a minute. But yeah, once that's done that, you just want to click the save. Just save it to your hard drive again. Obviously I'm in the G drive, and save the file. Just keep the name the same. Click save, and it's done. So you're done with this software. That one's nice and simple. So if you go back in the folder, click on the second one, and here there is a bunch of programs and stuff. You don't need to worry about half of them. All you need to do is open this one. That's the only one that you want to worry about. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I had issues running it for a second then, but yeah, just double click on it, and it should bring you this software, kind of similar to the first one. What you're going to want to do is click File, Open. Now you just want to open that file that we literally just made on the other software. Just click it. Come up to the top here, click this button and this one. Just go to this tab here. Just check that all these are zeros, which they are. Don't ask why. Just do it. I know that's what you have to do. Click OK, and you're pretty much ready to make the fake package file, which is the files that allows you to install them onto the PS4 via the jailbreak, and yeah, play your games without the discs on your PS4. So you just want to click this button here. Leave everything the same. Just choose a destination by this button here. Again, just save it to your drive, your G drive, the same drive that you use to dump the files and all that. Leave the name the same if you want. You can change it if you want. I'll just keep it the same. Actually, for the sake of the video, I'll just name it Lego. And then just click build. Now this could take probably 10, 20, 30 minutes depending on how fast your PC is. Mine's pretty fast, and also it depends on the size of the game. Like I said, my PC is quite fast and this is quite a small game, so it shouldn't take too long. But just let it do its thing. Once it's done and hit to 100%, you can literally just close out the software, and you're ready to install the file onto your PS4. Okay, so it's now completed. You just can close out of it and you're all done with that. Just click no, close out of that. So now in your G drive, you should have the files already, or the file. This is the one here that you're going to be obviously installing onto the PS4. This is a package file. As you can see, it does say package file or PKG, and there it says it there as well. So all you need to do now is go back onto the PS4, and I'll show you how to install it onto that. Okay, so I just turned the PS4 back on. Just log into your account. It is recommended to delete the actual game, that it created when you put the disc in initially. Just click Options and Delete, and you can take the disc out of the player. I'll do that now. Okay, so now the disc is out. You just want to make sure your hard drive is plugged into the leftmost USB port on the PS4 itself. Once that's plugged in, you just want to scroll up, go to Settings, go up to User Guide. Here you just want to pick whichever firmware you're on for your jailbreak, 5.05. And then you want to click this one here that says HEN. This stands for Homebrew. You just want to click that, and it will allow you to get into the debug settings. And once it says done, as you can see, you can close out by clicking Options, close window, click circle to back out, scroll all the way down, and now you can see debug settings at the bottom here. Just click that, click Game, Package Installer. And as you can see, there is the Lego file that we created on the PC. All you got to do now is click X on it and let that install. Okay, so once it has done installing, you just want to back out to the main XMB. And if you scroll across, as you can see, it does say Lego Marvel Superheroes without the disc. If you right click, go to information, it will tell you the information. It is on 1.00, which is the standard, obviously, firmware that the game is installed with. So if you click on it, as you can see, the game loads just fine without the disc. And yeah, that's how you do it. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smack the like button. Stay tuned for more jailbreak videos. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.